Hello, friends. How are you today? I hope you are doing very good. My analysis is on render token on this trade. Render token has been a very great performance since the start of the year, and it has been doing very good. Render token is on the radar of institutional traders and is on the watch list of professional traders too. Let me analyze the psychology behind the render token, and you can see how institutional support has been pushing render token to the upside, which is possibly or likely to resume its upward trend in a jiffy. Around mid of February, render token hit a resistance and it stopped going up. When you now look at it, from there it starts coming down, it starts heading down towards point 1. At point 1, it couldn't go to the 200-day moving average. It found support around that zone. It hit the 50-day moving average upward, which is the black line, and it also come back down to the point 2. From point 2, it head back to the 50-day moving average, and it also come down slightly to point 3 before volume finally comes in and render token break above the 50-day moving average, the black line, and it heads directly towards 0.5. When you look at the chart closely, as it break above the 50-day moving average at 0.3, you can see the volume. It rise for about 5 consecutive sections, and the price too, the blue bar, continues rise for about 5 or 6 consecutive sessions. That shows there is an interest and there are some traders loading in their orders on render token. From there, it hit 0.5. And at 0.5, which is the major resistance that has been resisting render token to go upward since mid-February, it comes down from there and it touches our 21-day exponential moving average at 0.4. The 21-day exponential moving average was strong enough. It prevents render token from going down to the 50-day moving average, the black line below the 0.4, and it sent it back to the upside. Now, render token is at a critical stage. It's now testing its long-time resistance zone at 0.5. It's trading towards the zone, and it's about to break the zone. I want you to watch closely. Check the bottom of your chart. You can see the volume. The prior volume was huge and is above the average volume, the black line. The current volume is at the black line, which is the average volume. So we expect the bar at the moment, before the close of the section, the volume should be higher than the average volume. That is telling us that institutional investors and institutional traders are loading their orders on render token. And the price currently, the prior bar, it closed towards the top of its range. That's a very good signal, and it's telling us that institutional traders are bidding up the price of render token. The current bar is also closing around the top of its range. That's also a good signal to watch. We will now let the bar break out above the 0.5, and the volume below should also be higher than the average volume. It can be lesser than the prior volume. It can also be higher than the prior volume. Yes, but the most important thing is it should be higher than the average volume significantly, hopefully with 50% or more. And if that could happen before the close of the bar or the next bar, that is an indication that upward trend in render token has resumed, the enthusiasm has returned, and one could launch in a successful trade for render token. So this is on our list. I would like you to add this to your list. You watch it as it continue progressing, and if it break out, you can enter your buy position and make some good money for yourself on render token. The crypto market starts showing a reversal from the downside, it seems there is an enthusiasm towards the upward direction. We will continue tracking lots of coins and check how they are performing in the next few days, and I'll continue posting more updates on the coins that are acting good and are behaving nicely, that can make you more profits. Thank you for watching my analysis on render token. If this video really assists your trading or improve your trading analysis, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Thank you and enjoy your trading.